How to cancel WorldRemit transaction. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can cancel your WorldRemit transaction, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to cancel your WorldRemit transaction, it's actually quite simple. Just go to worldremit.com. Let's say that there is a certain transaction that you would like to cancel it. It's very simple. All you have to do is just make sure to click the My Account option here and go to My Transactions tab, as you can find it. Once you come to the My Transactions tab, you should be able to see a list of all the transactions that you've made. So if there is an incomplete transaction or maybe a pending transaction, you can simply select that particular transaction in order to go ahead and then cancel them accordingly. This way you'll be able to go ahead and basically cancel your WorldRemit transaction. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.